His Excellency Dr. Majid bin Ali Naimi, Minister of Education, Chairman of the Higher Education Council, the patron of this conference, Dr. Kevin Downing, Chair of QS Maple International Academic Advisory Committee, Chairman of the conference, Ms. Mandy Mark, Chief Executive Officer, QS Asia, honorable delegates, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great honor for me to extend to you all a very warm welcome on behalf of Ahlia University, the organizing partner of this conference and exhibition, and to say how grateful we are to QS Asia, who accepted our invitation to host this regional conference on the advancement of university excellence in all its forms. As we enter an era of globalization, it is imperative for universities to keep pace with rapid changes in the academic landscape worldwide, so that they are in line with contemporary needs of society and are able to remain relevant to prospective students. We live in a dynamic world, subject to symmetric to asymmetric, non-linear change, and universities must be sufficiently robust with operational systems in place to reposition the institution in short notice, to adapt in order to continue to be relevant to the community at large, which the university serves. In light of this dynamism, the QS Maple Conference is being convened with a view to putting into the spotlight higher education as a matter of a human capital development necessary for economic and social progress in the Middle East and Africa, in achieving the aspirations of transformation into full-fledged knowledge economies. Honorable delegates, ladies and gentlemen, this conference is the 8th in this Maple series of summits. And this is the first time that this summit is being hosted in my beautiful country, the Kingdom of Bahrain. Attendees of the conference span more than 200 participants, hailing from 40 countries and more than 70 universities. All these universities participating in this conference are persistently striving to achieve the following objectives: uplifting the lives of people through access to higher education, and thus enabling them substantial improvement in the standard of living, minting technically qualified graduates able to meet the needs of the job market on the local and regional level, encouraging entrepreneurship through cutting-edge research, stimulating innovation and discovery, the fuel of future enterprises, supporting society by providing services to the community, bolstering technical capacities and vocational skills, engaging in research and generating innovation to people, the economy to the next stage of development, the knowledge economy. On this road to progress, many universities in the region face substantial obstacles in meeting current and future demands imposed on them as they strive toward reputational excellence and to meet the requirements for accreditation for their institutions. In response to these challenges, we need to respond forthrightly with evidence documenting out institutional development as we promote our values in an engagement with a variety of audiences and stakeholders. Honorable delegates, ladies and gentlemen, only having been established since 2001, Ahlia University is an emerging academic institution in a steep trajectory of ascendance with unblemished reputation predicted on values of academic excellence and integrity. We are proud to have been named by QS as the fastest rising university in the Arab region for the year 2018, with an overall rank of 35 among more than 1,000 universities in the Arab world. By hosting this conference, we accordingly aspire to improve our future ranking with the aim to attain a worldwide status of note. 17 years ago, we set an ambitious vision in terms of our aspiration to establish a higher educational institution dedicated to the promotion of diversity and inclusivity with strong links to the business community and the labor market so as to nurture the development of our country and our region by producing a steady stream of articulate, engaged, technically qualified graduates able to assume the mantle of leadership in the society. With our established international association and collaborations with our renowned faculty, with our strive to introduce niche areas of study, and with an enterprising spirit, Ahlia University is set to bring prosperity to the Kingdom of Bahrain and the region through its graduates who are empowered by innovative and entrepreneurial spirits. Before I end my speech, I would like to express my sincere thanks to His Excellency Dr. Majid bin Ali Naimi, the Minister of Education, for his patronage of this conference, and to thank our strategic partner and co-organizers of this conference, Professor Riyad Hamza from the University of Bahrain, as well as all speakers, moderators, debaters, and distinguished guests, contributing to a productive exchange of ideas and the furtherance of the cause of higher education in our region. Thank you very much. Of course, I'm very, very happy to be in front of you, and I'm really happy that we did prove that we can have a collaboration. We always called it PPP, public-private partnership, and I'm very happy to tell you, last night we've been hosted by the University of Bahrain, and of course, Mansour Al-Ali, President, gave the speech there, and he smelled the air of Ahlia University, and I'm very happy to see in front of me 2 or 3 presidents of Bahrain University, which I really praise for their job, because it's not easy. I'm very happy to see all the presidents of all different universities and everybody. And اسمحوا لي إنه نعرض فيلم قصير عن الجامعة الأهلية. I would like to tell all our friends old and new friends from all over the world, welcome to Bahrain, my beautiful small country, but the most welcoming country. And I hope in the next 2 to 3 days, you will really feel the warmth of the Bahraini people. Thank you very much. Thank you indeed.